perforation data, well testing data, production data, injection data. These data are all related to date, so I will explain these data together. Take production data as an example. This is the workflow of importing production data. The biggest difference from other data is that you need to set date format when importing production data. There are 3 data formats in GES. Let me show you by software. From the data, we know date format is month, day, year, so we change date format to month, day, year. And assign file attribute to GES attribute. Go to Data pane. Find Production category. Right-click on Well. You can check imported data. Next, I will show you how to import well testing data. Click Import Data on Home ribbon. Change data type to well testings. Select File. Check the date format in the file, and select GES date format. Select GES attribute to match with file attribute. Make sure well name is right. Click Apply to all and import data. Go to Well Testing category to check data. And same workflow for importing perforation data. Since injection data is same with production data, I will not display importing injection data here. From the slides, we can find all these data are related to the core. In GES, there are 5 kinds of data related to the core data: core descriptions, grain sizes, minerals, CM and images. I will introduce to you one by one. Let's start with core descriptions. This is the data format. First line is well information. 4 types data need to be included: well name, start depth, end depth and core description. 5 steps to import core descriptions. Right-click to check data. I will show you by GES. If there is a column called well name, then you don't need to choose well name in the left window. You can display core description in description column. Image importing is a little different with other data. Directly go to Data pane, right-click Image, and click Import Image. A window will pop up. Select well name, and enter start depth and end depth. Click Import. Double-click Image. Information window will pop up. You can preview image in this window. OK. Let's see more details in software. Image can be displayed in core description and photos column. Next data type is minerals data. The first line is well information, well name, start depth, end depth, quartz percentage, feldspar percentage, and rock debris percentage need to be included. Importing workflow of minerals is same with most data type. Right-click to check data. The fourth type of core data is grain size data. Grain diameter, percentage, accumulate percentage, etc. 6 types data need to be included. Change data type to grain sizes to import data, and go to Data pane. Right-click to check data. The last type of core data is CM data. This is data format. And this is workflow. As we can see, the workflow is same with other data. So it's pretty easy to remember. I will also show you by GES.